great for you, man. Thank you.
Car 84, Pat Smith, 66 GTO.
Pat, thank you. Yes.
Car number 121, Scott Hackathorn, 1972 Jeep Commando. All right, we got the next winner is car number 29, John Pallone, Chevy 1954 truck. Chevy truck. All right, our next winner is car number 34, Tim Morrell, 1973 Plymouth 340 Duster.
Thank you, sir. Yes. Yes.
Thank you. Is car number 36, Sparling 1990 Cowboy. Is car number 81, Red Hatter 1949 Oldsmobile Hot Rod.
Yes, he's had both. Yep, thank you.
Is car number 75, Jacob Layton, 2005 Mazda RX-8. Sorry about that. Car number 94, 1970 Chevy Camaro, and Mike. Is car number 114, Burt Clark, 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. Ooh, that's a fun name for a car.
Hi, I'm Sarah, Steve's daughter. I
Let's
just
go.
want to give a big thank you to everybody for coming out to support my dad. It really means a lot to all of us. Thank you guys so much. Thank you.
We just want to say thank you, everybody. We really appreciate this, okay? Thank you. Thank you to Jeff Ballmer, his wife, his whole family for letting us destroy his yard. Thank you, everybody. I mean it. I totally mean it. This is a hell of a car group right here. I mean it. I love you guys. Thank you.
I am Scott's uncle, and I would like to say, on behalf of Scott, for putting this on, we owe you a big thank you also.